Your Gmail account may look like just an inbox, but think about everything connected to it. Social media accounts, online purchases, important documents, password resets, work messages, and personal conversations can all depend on that one email address. So when you suddenly can't access Gmail, it can feel like you've lost access to your entire digital life. If you're interested in learning more about Gmail recovery, email security, or related services, you can find our website through the link in the description. You can also check the pinned comment for professional assistance and submit a request if you need more information. Now, the first thing to do is figure out what actually happened. Did you forget your password? Did someone change it? Have you lost access to your recovery phone or email? Or are you seeing security activity that you don't recognize? The answer can determine which recovery options are available to you. If you still have access to a recovery method connected to your Gmail account, use Google's official account recovery process and follow the instructions carefully. Avoid repeatedly guessing passwords or entering random information. Provide accurate details that can help verify that you're the legitimate account owner. If you believe someone else has accessed your account, don't focus only on Gmail. Think about the other accounts connected to that email address. Your Instagram, Facebook, shopping accounts, cloud storage, and other services could all be affected if the same credentials were exposed. Once you regain access, review your Google account security settings. Check recent activity and connected devices. Make sure your recovery email and phone number are still yours. Look for unfamiliar forwarding settings or other changes you didn't make. Then create a strong, unique password and enable two-step verification. There's another problem you need to watch out for: fake recovery services. After losing an account, you may find people online promising instant access or guaranteed recovery. Never give your password, verification code, or recovery information to someone simply because they claim to be an expert. Use legitimate recovery channels and protect your security information. If you're having trouble with Gmail recovery or want to understand more about email security, visit our website through the link in the description and check the pinned comment for professional assistance. You can submit a request explaining what kind of information or help you're looking for. And remember, losing access doesn't always mean your account is gone permanently. Stay calm, use legitimate recovery options, secure your connected accounts, and strengthen your security once you're back in. Your Gmail account can be the gateway to much of your digital life. Protecting that gateway starts with knowing how to recover it safely.